So maybe I would like to start with Joseph, making a very simple question, the one my daughter did to me. Could you please define asset management in simple terms?
Oh, thanks, Jesus. I think asset management has been defined in so many ways. The simplest I can think of is, if I'm going to explain it to your daughter, is, honey, if I gave you a piece of asset, like a car or a toy car, how do I maintain it? How do I look after it? Well, how do I procure it? Where does the funds come from? Daddy normally will pay for it to start with. And then how do I actually look after that asset, that car, or that toy car that I might have, or anything, a bicycle? Use it properly without damaging it, care for it, maybe repair it, which you have to do. You have to do the repair from time to time. We will call it refurbishment in big words. And then at the end, we have to make decisions on how do we dispose of it? Do we change it into some other kind of asset that we can reuse, repurpose? And how do I fund it all? And do I get sophisticated in enabling information to be collected at every stage? So the purpose of all of that is really to see if I can provide those services, or I can use my car or my bicycle for a long time, as I originally intended, by reducing any risks, because if the tires burst, there's a risk I would fall off the bicycle. So I got to get that. So I got to minimize risk. I want to minimize cost for sure, because you can imagine, you can't keep paying for it all the time. The piggy bank doesn't go that far. And at the same time, can I enhance community livelihoods, social, outcomes? Can I enhance it? And can I also enhance the natural environment? Can I make the environment better? So to me, that sort of would be a reasonably complete definition of asset management.